Hey, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into why you should eat chia seeds every day. In just 3 minutes, I'll cover 10 life-changing benefits that these tiny seeds offer. First up, chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons give you a massive dose of fiber, protein, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Number 2, they're great for weight loss. Chia seeds expand in your stomach, keeping you feeling full longer and curbing those pesky snack cravings. Third, they boost your energy levels. These seeds provide a steady release of energy, perfect for powering through intense workouts or a long day at work. Fourth, chia seeds improve digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, they keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Fifth, they support heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol levels. Sixth, they're a skin savior. Rich in antioxidants, chia seeds can help fight free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. Seventh, chia seeds enhance bone health. With a good amount of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, they're great for maintaining strong bones. Eighth, they regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Ninth, chia seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, salads, or even baked goods for a nutritious boost. And lastly, number 10, they support mental health. Omega-3s and other nutrients in chia seeds can enhance brain function and help reduce anxiety and depression. So there you have it. 10 amazing reasons to make chia seeds a daily staple in your diet. Start adding them to your meals today and feel the difference. Thanks for watching, Fitness Buffs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.